Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Code and Chill with Chandni. Today I am going to teach you how to install Blender in Linux or Ubuntu. To install Blender we need to visit its official website first. So we will go to the blender.org/download. You can see the download button at the top. But first we need to select the operating system. For me it's Linux. If you want to install it for Windows, you can select the window installer, or if you want to install it for Mac OS, you can simply select the Mac OS option. As for me it's Linux, I'll click on this Linux button. My download will start automatically in few seconds. Now wait for the time until the download completes. As you can see, my download is complete now. You can see the downloaded tar file inside the downloads folder. All we need to do is to extract this tar file. For this, open your terminal at the same path where your file is downloaded. Now to extract the tar file, use command tar-xvf file name. It will take few seconds to complete. You can see the folder is extracted inside this at the same path inside downloads folder. We will move to the extracted folder. Type ls. You can see the Blender file here. We can simply execute the Blender file using command /blender. It will start the Blender software directly. If you want, you can run /blender. You can run this, execute this file always to start the Blender, but to create a shortcut we need to create a desktop entry first. Like you can see, Blender's app is not present here. If I type Blender in search, it shows nothing. To make it executable directly from here, we will create the desktop entry. To create the desktop entry, we need to follow these steps. First, we need to create a Blender directory inside the OPT. You can, if you go to the OPT, I have the Blender directory present here already. If you don't have this directory, you can simply make the directory inside this folder using command sudo make directory -p opt/blender. This will create the Blender directory same as mine here. After that, we will move our extracted folder from downloads to that folder, in that Blender folder inside the OPT directory. For this, we will go to the downloads. To move this file to OPT, we need to use sudo, as OPT need admin access. We will type sudo move folder name, same as here, space, to the directory, to the path where we need to move it to. For this, we need to move it to opt/blender. Press enter. type password. You can see it successfully moved our directory from downloads to OPT. Let's check what's inside the OPT/blender. Type ls. You can see the same directory inside the OPT/blender. Now we need, after moving it to OPT blender, we need to create a blender.desktop file inside local share applications and paste this code inside the blender.desktop file. But to paste the inside, before pasting it to the blender.desktop file, you need to correct the execution path and icon path. As we moved it inside the OPT/blender, we can see our file name here. It's blender -5.1.1 -linux -x64. We will replace the name same as there. Blender -5.1.1 -linux -x64. Linux -x64. We will copy the same file name for icon path as well. That's it. Now simply copy, execute the vim to open the blender.desktop file. If that file was not there, it will create the same file. Now all we need to do is to copy these lines and paste it here. Then to save it, we will simply press escape:x, enter. Now we need to make this file we just created executable using the command chmod +x and the path to the blender.desktop file we just created. Simply copy this command and run it to make this blender.desktop file executable. Okay, we don't sorry, my bad. I need to remove the slash from end, as it's not the folder, it's a file. Now we need to refresh all apps using command update -desktop database and the path to the local applications, local/share/applications. My bad again, I type updated in place of update. Done. Now let's check if Blender is installed or not. Yeah, you can see the Blender here inside our desktop apps. Let's click the Blender and we can run it successfully. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you want to learn the Blender, how you can simply watch my other tutorials. Thank you. Bye bye.